Sciatic nerve flossing, laying down, is the subject of this video, so stay tuned. Hey, this is Dr. Shakib reminding you that not every case of sciatica that you think is sciatica is necessarily a sciatic nerve irritation. A lot of other things exist that mimic pain or send pain down your legs, but they don't have to be, or it is not necessarily sciatica. So in the case of true sciatica, sciatic nerve irritation, one of the things that we want to do is nerve flossing. Why? Because if a nerve is irritated, it typically gets irritated when it is stretched or if it is compressed. So with sciatic nerve flossing, we're able to glide the nerve back and forth at the two ends of that nerve. So sciatic nerve comes from your lower back and it goes down to your leg. So one end is the back or the whole path up the cord to the head, and because that's the path of the nerve, to the spinal column, down to the lower back of your lower of your spine, and going down to the leg. So in this case, we're going to be laying down. So I'm going to demonstrate this with me laying down. So make yourself comfortable, put something under your head if that's what you want to do. And in case of laying down, and let's just say that it is my right leg that we have issues with. What I want to do is I want to shorten one end and lengthen the other end. So what I'm going to do is extend the leg and look up and bring it back, like so. The next thing is extend the leg, look up, and flex the foot. Can you see the flexion of the foot? Again, like so. Then what we want to do is we want to extend the leg and have the head in a neutral position. So we're not looking up. Bring it back. I just looked down. You shouldn't be looking down. And then you extend and flex. If you have no pain, or if you have pain in any of these, you stay and you gradually do it to whatever increment it is that leads to pain but is short of it. Once you're clear of that, you move to the next one. So I'm just giving you the different steps here. The next thing you want to do is you want to extend the leg and flex the head. So go back, extend the leg and flex the head. And finally you extend the leg, flex the head, and flex the foot. Now you are at the maximum amount of stretch from both ends. So you're going through that process. You're gliding the nerve back and forth, which then releases any amount of stickiness or not adhesion, but locking that may exist, any compression or things like that. So that's essentially what nerve flossing is, laying down for the people who feel more comfortable laying down during this exercise. Hope this helped.